Sanibonani Thokozani makhosi amakhulu ngiyabingelela. Shout out to the people that are watching my videos from different countries and welcome to the new people. Please bogogo nabomkhulu nine nonke lenibukela ama video ami, please do not forget to subscribe and leave me my comments down below. Bogogo, there are comment sections ngaphansi kwale video. Khuluma nami kwendakalani tino tiyendakala na kuvaleke kuphi silungisa njani bogogo nabomkhulu. Ama video ngendela nini kunisita la nami ngitholela isito khona ngiyanisharela ukuthi okay nginasona so bogogo nabomkhulu bathe niyende so bogogo nabomkhulu, please and each and everyone that are watching this video, please do not forget to leave my comments. Ngikhona kuniphendula but angeke kukhona kuniphendula ngilanga leli1. Ngiyacela bogogo nomkhulu because sometimes ama comments aba maningi kakhulu. Thokozani ngitozama ukuthi nginiphendule each and every one of you makhosi. So bogogo, as I have said ukuthi uyahamba uyothenga laphi lelibovu i1 meter uyabuya uyaliphahlela uyathandaza whatever. Nawulala uyalibopha bogogo nabomkhulu, please ningakhohlwa uyalibopha nawulala kuze tino takho tivuleke, kuze amaphupho akho avuleke bogogo nabomkhulu, kuze nibone ukuthi kuyendakalani etimpilweni tenu and kuze nikhona ukuthi ningakhohlwa amaphupho enu. If your ancestors banema message babe nema message concerning timpilo tenu so that ningakhohlwa bogogo nabomkhulu, because those things are very important. So what you're gonna do, ubophile lapho lakho lelibovu, right? So now bogogo nabomkhulu, if tino solo atihambi kahle ngicela niphinze niyongithengela laphi lelimhlophe i1 meter. Le 1 meter leyo utoyithatha uyayiphahlela yathanazela whatever that you're gonna do, uyicleanse ingabi nemimoya lemibi ya Satan or whatever, because awazi ukuthi le shop lo ithenge kuyo kunjani, because bantu bathini bantu bashisa tindo leti different so that my customer atongena. So whatever leba tishisawo kumbe whatever litigijimako lapho le shop, you don't know about those things. So buya nini liphahlele lafuna kulwasha ulwasha kunetindo takho neto kulwasha and then uyalithatha uyolibeka komcamelo wakho, urayipha umcamelo wakho ngalo. That cloth iyoba i-pillowcase yakho each and every day forever empilweni yakho. So utorepha le your pillow with the white cloth and then nawulala ubopha liduku lakho lelibovu, and then yeah ntobana mehluko etimpilweni tenu, ntobana amaphupho avuleka kancane. Don't expect ukuthi wena nje all in one say yonke into yovuleka and what not. No, kutovuleka kancane ayovuleka amaphupho, utobona utovisisa and angeke ukhohlwe bogogo nabomkhulu. I'm gonna do a part 3 of this video to help you in like besides maphupho enu netimpilo tenu kuze nikhona kulwa nani. Thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu, makhosi amakhulu, ndawuwe.